This is a felling wedge that you use to help you take trees down, and it has gotten mushroomed up here at the top, and this one I let it go longer than I should have, of course. You can see right here how it's kind of cracked, and that's when they start hanging over like this, it's dangerous because when you hit that with your hammer, the energy can go into that little piece and fly back and hit you. You need to keep these cleaned off. We're going to use an angle grinder. All right, here we go. Alright, so you want to grind these until you get a nice transition from the wedge. You come up and you can't feel a bulge out on the sides. And then you want to chamfer it in a little bit, and then we got to get these corners and we'll be done. Alright, that's it. When I come up the sides, it's hot, but I don't have any bulges coming up when I raise up on the sides like that. And I've got it cut back all the way around. So this will last me for quite a bit, but when it starts mushrooming out, before it got to where it was this last time, you need to clean them up. So it's like this, so you can't get one of these shards to come off of there at high speed and hit you. Alright, well, I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.